Hello, today we will guide you through how to group videos in CapCut PC. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the program launches, make sure you are in your editing workspace so you can see the timeline area clearly. This is where your video clips will appear and where grouping helps you stay organized while editing. Next, drag a sample video into the timeline. If your clip is already imported into your media library, simply click and drag it down into the editing track. Placing the video on the timeline is important because grouping works with clips that are already part of your project. If needed, take a quick moment to make sure the clip is sitting exactly where you want it before moving on. Now press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. This key is commonly used in editing software to help with selecting items and preparing them for actions like grouping. Keep holding it as you move to the next action. Doing this carefully helps ensure CapCut recognizes your selection properly. While still holding the Control key, click on the sample video in the timeline. This selects the clip and prepares it for the next command. When you click, look for a visual highlight around the video clip so you know it has been selected. If you do not see any change, simply try clicking again while keeping the Control key pressed. Once the video is selected, right-click on the clip to open the context menu. In that menu, choose the Group option. This will group the selected video so it can be handled more easily during editing. Grouping can be useful when you want to keep elements together and avoid accidentally moving or editing them separately later on. After selecting Group, your clip is now grouped in CapCut. This can make timeline management much smoother, especially as your project becomes more complex. If you are working with multiple clips in the future, the same general process can help you organize your timeline more efficiently. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to group videos in CapCut PC. Thanks for following along, and we hope this makes your editing workflow faster and easier.